Today, I'll show you how to assemble the Minky electric rocker. This is what you get. 2 sides, one with the control panel, handle with toys, manual and a USB cable, mosquito net, seat, 3 curved tubes for the construction of the frame, and 2 legs which form the base. Connect the 2 tubes forming the base with each other. Simply slide one into the other. Connect the sides of the frame with the curved tube. Chronologically, slide in, click, and you're done. Then apply the top of the frame, assembled a moment ago, to the legs forming the base. Slide in until you hear a click. What's left is the assembly of the seat. The U-shaped tube is inserted from the back into the white holes. We put on the cover, stretch it over the tube. Now for the assembly of the second U-shaped tube, but be careful, slide it first into the cover. Then bend the seat and insert the second tube into the holes in the front. The seat opens and the material is stretched. All that is left is to fasten the Velcro and seat belts. The frame is ready. Now the handle with the toys. Just press it in. It can be easily bent back. And your child can turn it around while playing. To attach the mosquito net, remove the handle with toy and pull it over the seat. Set the following on the control panel: rocking intensity, rocking time, melodies, and volume. Before starting it up, connect the USB cable included. You can also use batteries. 3 1.5 volt Type-C batteries are installed under the control panel. To remove the cover for washing, unfasten the Velcro at the back and the buckles under the seat. Remove the cover from the seat and then from the backrest. Fasten the belts before putting them into the washing machine. Wash at 30 degrees Celsius. The rocker is ready to play.